Right, I'm going to go through to the lounge. Apparently it's the red zone, according to the instructions.
I'd only be there.
I'll have a look at it. I've never really looked at it.
Yeah, if we are busy and we're kind of, we need that assistance. If you're available,
Oh, there.
I'm going to wait down and see them.
Are you okay?
Hello.
Yeah.
I've booked assistance for it's 9:24, I think
Where are
it
you
is,
going to?
to Birmingham.
International.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you okay to make your way down to platform 4? I've got my colleague down there now with the RAM. Are you okay to go down to 4?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, no worries.
Thank you very much.
What's your names?
I'm Nicolai Reynolds. Nico Reynolds?
Andrew Wright.
Yeah, okay. Head down to 4. My colleague's down there.
Oh, okay.
Next?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool, that. I like that.
Thank you. Yeah, it's really fun.
It's a
goes
bit,
really
bit
fast.
smaller this way, isn't it?
Yeah, it has quite a good turning circle and my knees aren't
Yeah.
so high up because of my heels.
Because I find this really awkward. It's like quite long and it can't turn around.
Yeah, and I can always detach from my tri-rod
Yeah.
and just use the wheelchair.
You
Right, you come in first. The parachute
Oh,
probably
no, I
squeeze
can't get in there.
Oh.
You're not there?
I'll let you go in there. I'll go down
Alright,
next.
Sorry.
Well, if you can't fit, then I might as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Slowly, slowly. Oh, wow. Oh, doors open. God, blimey. Smells in there. Stinks. God.
How are you, sir?
Alright.
That section here for you.
Yep.
6 grand, but we get you to international.
Okay. Lovely. Oh wow.
Yeah, there's a lot of this today.
I'll be right there.
Yeah, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Two more, you can phone Guinness. Little quick company, of course.
They pack them in like sardines.
You chef actress. Oh yeah.
Worst part's the lift when you get to the station and you get out.
Yeah, one of the lifts was broken yesterday. I saw it on one of my friends.
I think this is an earlier train. I don't know.
I thought I'd beat the rush, but it didn't
Yeah.
work.
Yeah, that's the one that was broken.
I was at the NEC last night and there was a sign in front of one of the lifts saying it wasn't working.
Oh
It
no.
was working. And I just tried it because I know you used
Yeah.
that one on the way out, so
Yeah.
someone had just placed the sign in the wrong place. I went to scout it out first before going.
Oh right, yeah.
I've never been along here, so.
Have you not?
No.
It's okay. I mean, if it's on a normal day, it's quite busy, like you know, with the train. It came up.
For me, I'm doing a panel session today as well, so.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First time doing that, so I might as well do it right, you know.
I'm Nico.
Yeah. You don't want to be late.
Yeah. Like, it's not till 10 to 12. So I've got
What
time.
your panel?
So it's the accessible, so planes, trains, and accessible transport. Yeah.
Oh, okay, because I make videos about that. I make videos, travel videos about accessible
That's really good to know.
planes, trains, and automobiles. And
Well, I think I mean to just stay in touch with you. So my name
yeah,
is Joe.
yeah. I'll give you my
I
card.
work for you in Skype, which is why I'm
You do? Yeah, I know. I saw it on the back of your.
Yeah, it's everywhere.
Because I saw you in the station. I thought, there's a guy.
So yeah, I work. My job's community manager's the title.
Right.
My job's to travel the country reviewing disabled access.
Okay.
And part of the focus is transport. So
Yeah.
it does tie in.
Yeah.
I just have some cards in my back pocket as well.
Boom.
So we can do one. Do we swap?
Hi guys, can we fit one more person in? Will that be okay? I'm really sorry.
Is that a manual chair or a power chair?
Oh yeah, they're in a manual thing.
Yeah, we're all right, I think.
Will that be alright?
Yeah, I'll move slightly.
Oh, you're
We'll
the
be good.
man. You're the man. Sorry about the practice. It's a busy day today, sir. I'm really sorry. No, I know it is. Alright, let's work as a team. Have a great day, yeah? And I'll see you when you come back. I think we're all going
So-
to see. Yes, you are.
So this is the travel channels that I do
Follow that, Andy. Thank
on
you.
YouTube and whatever, and that's my business one, which is training courses and things like that, so developing online stuff.
Yeah, no, that sounds great. Thank you for that.
I have posted on. I've got, you're on my website
Great.
because I put a link on there for you and Guy. Because a long time ago I posted loads of stuff on there, but I haven't really done anything else since then.
We've changed quite a bit, so the website looks totally different now.
Yeah, well, I haven't been on there for a long time.
Into the modern day.
Yeah, that's one of the things I do as well is website design.
It'd been handy to speak to you again.
Yeah. Because I just got into this whole AI lark.
Yeah.
It's a nightmare.
It's interesting because
It's good, but it's a nightmare.
especially people are making nonsense with it as well, you know.
Yeah. This goes on planes. This goes on trains. I've been on a bus yesterday. It was really good fun.
It is, yeah. How did you guess?
Oh dear.
It's one of these things where like judgment of a disabled person is probably right.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
It's because it's a collective
good guess.
like,
Good guess.
so they've overarched.
Yeah, so I've been working with you and Skype for about 2 years now, and I manage a small team, so all three of us are disabled people, all wheelchair users, and between the three of us we scour the country.
Yeah.
I say the focus is travel and transport, but then we look at places outside, you know, so
Yeah.
like museums, libraries, the places people want to go to.
Yeah.
We're getting to the age to sort of get the word out a bit more, just to remind people we exist, and just have ourselves up on the stage. I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah.
Slightly nervous, but we
Well, I don't only do that, I do like other things as well, like with the shops, restaurants, like I've just been to Wetherspoons.
yeah.
Good service in there, I've seen Wetherspoons here.
I like the table
Yeah,
service to be fair.
yeah, it's pretty good. And the app, I always use the
Can you
app.
ask me what service
I go in all the other ones, but all the other restaurants, I try them all, just for accessibility,
I think our first
service.
favorite person.
Sometimes it's appalling, it really is. But I've got hundreds and hundreds of videos on my channel.
Yeah, I'll definitely check the channel out.
Yeah.
I said that what we're doing is also on the website, we've now included support for video content. So we
Right,
actually
okay.
put video reviews.
Yeah.
So we are
I was like, I
upping
know I'm on the
the
right
storage
platform, that's
capacity
it.
on that at the moment.
Train.
In my mind, it's too low to be overly functional. It's fine for like a
I think that's the hard
to
thing.
camera.
Like,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have my
Someone's
tickets
like
booked
making
like this.
proper
I always have it
thing,
up
but
live on
Yeah.
Mainline.
Of course,
Like,
have
I don't
integration
have
for things
that.
on YouTube as well. People can use that as a platform. But we are supporting video reviews, audio reviews, and DSL reviews, which is something I think is quite good.
It's good service. It's
And
good
obviously,
service.
being a charity, that's something I'm amazing.
Yes, yeah.
We're doing this to make a difference rather than just to,
Yeah, yeah,
I'm not saying there's not altruistic businesses out there, but you get it.
yeah. I get you. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's going to be interesting, I
I
think,
hate
today.
not knowing.
I'm looking forward to it.
Every time I like this time of year, normally I'm in Thailand with my wife, but this year I didn't go because I didn't have any money, so I couldn't go. So normally I'm not here now. So I miss it every year. Yeah.
And it was
Unfortunately.
like the same amount of walking time.
Last night's hotel was appalling. Really, Britannia, right? Because I've got affiliate link with that,
Yep.
and I wish I hadn't done it now because it was awful, terrible. Wheelchair accessible room.
Yep.
I mean, I asked for one, and didn't give me one.
Yep.
When I went to my room, I went to lock in. Somebody was already in there. I said,
it's not
can't
good
get in,
stuff.
can't get in. And the door was quite narrow. It was only like
Yeah.
that, so I wouldn't have got in there anyway. But they put me in the wheelchair room eventually. But the wheelchair room was not even really for a wheelchair. They had a real nice bathroom, but the water was cold. No hot water. It's like, what the hell?
So at least you're fully awake this morning.
So I am, yeah. I just and the room was so cold, and I went down to complain about it this morning. He said, "Well, you're the only one that's complained about it, and 30 people." It's like, well, surely they were cold as well.
One voice is just as valid, you know.
Yeah.
I'll tell you it's cold. Trust me, I'm the customer, you know.
That's it. I mean, in the end, I had to put 2 duvets from two separate beds onto one bed. That's how cold it was. And I was wearing my trousers, my jumper, my shirt, and my socks. Still cold.
At least you can see you woke up prepared, ready to face the day.
Yeah, well, I knew the forecast because I looked last week. I thought, oh, it was going to be nice until Monday, and it was going to get colder and colder all week. So I thought, I better go today because it will be cold tomorrow, even more cold.
I'll be there on both days, but I'm flying home tomorrow, so
Yeah.
it's convenient.
Where do you?
So Glasgow.
Oh, Glasgow. My
It's
next,
Paisley, but
my
I'm
next
from
trip is Edinburgh.
Ah,
I'm going to fly
that's
up.
where our office is.
Oh, right.
Yeah. In fact, you should pop us a message. You can maybe come back.
Yeah, okay, I'll do that.
We're always
Because
happy to buy the office.
what I want to do is fly
Yeah.
from Southampton, fly up to Edinburgh, do the because I've been invited to Southampton to review the service that we get,
Yeah.
and I want to do that, because it's quite important that you do airlines as well.
Yeah.
Normally I do Thai Air and all the other ones, big ones, but they're all sort of they're okay. I mean, they're not too bad. I've never done the internal flights, so I'm going to fly up to Edinburgh,
I feel like that's a
do the hotel up there, do the tram and things like that, you know. And then to take the train down, I've got a couple of people in the East Coast there, like Tynemouth and Newcastle, and one in York. So I'm going to stop down there and then come back down where I live, which is Wiltshire. So it should be a good week.
Yeah, that sounds eventful.
We'll get lots of video, won't we?
Yeah. Well, Edinburgh, so from the
I've never been.
It'll be interesting. There is a shuttle bus which I could get on, but they're really funny about this now.
Oh, are they?
They've got a whole thing about how this must be detached and stored in a bag before, before it's put on a bus. And their explanation is this, right? Someone's paying attention, that's why I'm speaking over you. Is they're concerned that because of exposed gears and brakes, other passengers might damage themselves. If someone's down there,
Insurance. Damage.
exactly. But yeah, that's the logic.
That's why I paid £330 a year on insurance.
It's not all enforced though, so I don't know what the law is with bikes. The rule is with bikes, or not the law, that's a different word. But what the rule is with bikes. But I know that when it comes to these, they're considering them hand bikes.
Yeah.
And that's the logic they're putting on it. So I've got a friend, Katie, who'd reached out to Lothian buses to find out what was going on, and they sent this big long response. She also had Transport for All reach out, and they just doubled down on their answer. I was told TFA to get to.
The thing is, the government's literally doing consultation, including
Yeah. It's that way, like I'm nervous. So it's in, I think the whole conversation started in London, I'm sure, when there was a boy who'd fallen off one and woke up in the hospital, and they impounded his wheelchair and his power attachment.
Oh, what?
Together.
they wouldn't give his manual back.
Yeah, because it was one vehicle to them, and it's like it's two things. It's like the debate I have at the airport all the time, you know.
Yeah.
It comes apart.
Yeah.
But, I think that's what started that whole debate in the first place. But I'm actually concerned in London when I'm going about on this that some cops just gonna go, you know.
I'm gonna knock your wheelchair now, good luck at going.
Yep.
That's weird.
Yeah, it's weird.
No, I have.
And they are quite good. I like them.
Limited, like 4 miles an hour.
4?
Yeah, the legal payment.
Just thinking, see some train stations I've been at where there's a ramp that goes to platforms. 4 mile and I'm going down
Was
unless
like
I'm
when
reversing.
she was type 1 diabetic, right?
Yeah.
She went to the airport. And
I've
they
seen
were
that.
like,
I think 4 is
"You
way
can't."
too low a restriction.
She was like, I'm going to die without my insulin. What do you mean? I have my medical card, I've got my prescription with me, all of the extra things that you make me bring so that I can have my medication. And they were like, no, we're going to take it off you. And she was like, I'm going to Thailand. I need insulin. I'm not going to be able to get it there. Like, I need all of my medical equipment. And they were like, no. Yeah, but they were weird because she has one of those like pumps. And they were weird about her taking her pump with her. They wanted her to take it off to go through the security, and she was like, I can't take it off.
Was that England or Thailand?
I can't remember. It was like a few years ago now. But she was traveling from California to Glasgow to come and see me.
Well, in Bangkok, they said they want to put this through the X-ray machine.
Yeah, really?
Or on a field.
Can't lift it, mate. I'm not sat on it. Are you stupid or what? It's like, they did. They made me put it through. They had to lift it. They had to put it through the X-ray machine. Stupid people. Only one time I've ever had that. I've been going for 10 years.
That's crazy. Yeah, because she had multiple stops. So she planned to come and see me. They tried to take her pump off her to like go through when she was coming through the like UK.
They don't understand.
And then she was trying to go. She went to Thailand afterwards and somewhere else, and I think she had similar issues.
Back in some way.
I didn't realise that was starting quick, wasn't it? Quite quick.
There we go. That's kind of working.
Yeah, I have no
Hello.
idea where I'm going.
There we go.
Good. That's fine. Where am I going? Left or right?
Right.
Okay. Hoorah! No, we are getting there.
You off to Nedex?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a few of us.
There's a lot on my train as well.
Yeah.
Going to be a bit busy.
It's Jenga. Who can stand on their hands?
I need to leave so we can't feel really dizzy.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
It's alright.
How many people can fit in a lift?
This one's really tiny.
This one's yeah.
Yeah.
Is there another lift on this platform, or is this the only one?
This is the only one.
Are you
Train on level 4 will soon be departing. If you are not boarding, please move away from the train so we can safely dispatch.
Going to be about half an hour, guys.
Have they all pressed the button?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll get two in there. Get two in there.
Well, I may be able to. Oh no, you won't be able to fit in with that noise.
Get one in there. Oh well. Can't get one in. Never mind. I did offer. I did offer. Let me see.
Yeah, especially when they haven't got their lanyards anymore.
Okay.
Guys, you can exit in, guys. Just come down here, please.
Cheers. Thank you. Starbucks. Subway. Now somewhere. I should have shut the camera off because that was half an hour of chat.